Hello everyone, in this video you will see how to record on a Samsung Smart TV. Make sure your USB storage device is compatible with your Samsung Smart TV and has enough free space to store recordings. Format the USB device if necessary. Insert the USB storage device into one of the USB ports on your Samsung Smart TV. Tune into the channel or content you want to record. You can also access content through apps like Netflix or Amazon Prime Video if your TV supports recording from these sources. While watching the content, open the on-screen menu or options by pressing the Tools or Settings button on your TV remote. Look for an option related to recording, often labeled as Record, Live TV Recording, or PVR. Select the option to start recording. You may need to confirm the recording duration or settings, depending on your TV's recording features. While recording, you will usually see an on-screen indicator showing the recording status, such as a red dot or a timer. To stop recording, access the recording menu again or press the designated button on your remote to stop the recording manually. After stopping the recording, you can access the recorded content through the TV's media player or a dedicated recording section in the menu. Navigate to the location where recordings are stored on your USB device. You can usually manage your recordings by deleting unwanted recordings or transferring them to another storage device if needed. If you found this video helpful, you can thank me with a like and subscribe to the channel. See you in another video.